Jhack, el Kapitan Tepora.
Isang magandang balita nga po para sa ating pambato na si Jhack el Kapitan Tepora dahil matapos ang 2 taong walang laban at ilang buwang training sa Amerika ay sa wakas magkakaroon na ito ng laban at gagawin ito bukas sa bansang Mexico. Pinost kanina sa page ng Viva Promotion ang naging weigh-in ni Jhack Tepora kontra sa kanyang makakalabang Mexicano na si David Banda Leal. Kasalukuyang may kartada itong si Jhack Tepora na 24 wins, only 1 defeat, 18 via knockout. Huling lumaban noong April 26, 2022 pa. Habang isang aktibong boksingero itong Mexicano, huling lumaban noong March lang at kasalukuyang may record ito na 3 wins, 3 via knockout, may 12 talo at 2 draw. Bagamat di ganon kaganda ang kartada ng kalabang Mexicano, ay di pa din dapat magkumpiyansa si kabayan dahil aktibong boksingero itong Mexicano at kilala ang mga ito na matitibay pagdating sa basagan ng mukha. Habang itong si Jhack Tepora ay 2 taong natingga ang karyera, paniguradong may konting kalawang pa. Ito na ang pangalawang Mexicano na makakalaban ni Tepora. Unang Mexicano na nakaharap niya ay si Edivaldo Ortega taong 2018. Ang laban para sa WBA Interim World Featherweight title. Dinurog lang ni Jhack Tepora itong si Ortega sa laban at tinutas via TKO. Bago ang comeback fight ni Jhack Tepora bukas ay sabay-sabay muna nating balikan ang naging laban ni Jhack el Kapitan Tepora kontra sa pinakaunang Mexicanong nakalaban niya na si Edivaldo Ortega para sa WBA Interim Featherweight Championships na ginanap sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia noong July 15, 2018. Undercard ng labang Manny Pacquiao kontra Lucas Matisi.
Edivaldo Indio Ortega. Jhack el Kapitan Tepora.
Son varios del ombligo para arriba. ¿Ok? Please.
Scheduled for 12 rounds here in Malaysia. Favor in this contest.
He's explosive. He likes to break.
He's talking about intensity. Sitting in that fight, I thought he was going to jump the table and start scrapping with you. Just needs to be focused because Ortega has plenty of power. Oh, there's a right hand that lands to the Mexican.
Yeah, but just before that, I think Tepora landed a good body shot.
This crowd's getting loud. To see Manny Pacquiao, and Tepora's going to get. Oh, and a right there from Ortega. He's been hit with a couple of big shots.
I agree, just like that one right there, a little right hook.
Burn off is basically the same style as we see. Both fighters landing some heavy punches here in round 1. This is the kind of fight we expected, Chris, and that's what we're getting.
They both said that this was
In the last fight, he was taken to a local medical facility for precautionary reasons. English tonight.
They're actually speaking different from Filipinos, so
Languages do you speak?
3.
Translation, we learned that both corners said, I will fight my fight, and I'm going to use my intelligence.
He's actually using boxing skills and he would execute.
Big swing and a miss by both guys. Every punch thrown with knockout intentions.
This is going to be the battle of hooks, I believe. Both these guys really like their lead right hooks.
Both men have been knocked down once in their career. For Ortega, said he collected trash. The more adversity you face, the better fighter you become.
Good exchange here. I like how Tepora was fighting with his back foot there, landing some good shots.
I mean, it seemed like he was just like going for.
That a minute ago surrounding Jhack Tepora, fighting at moment for him.
He's keeping a measured pace. He's looking to take half step.
In round 1, they got this crowd to settle in a little bit. Nice exchange, and Ortega got better than it seemed, but now that gives Tepora.
Tepora eats some big shots just there.
And a nice one for Ortega again. Good round for the Mexican who just missed with the right, hit it with the left. Exchanges in there.
Got Tepora's attention. We're going to see here the right hand and then the left hook and another right hand. This seemed to spur Ortega on towards the end of that round. Another shot of that. I like Ortega's follow
in store for us here in the 4th. Tepora from the Philippines in the red, Ortega from Mexico in the white. One of 4 world titles. Against Ortega, can he?
No, and I think he knows that.
Own a little Mexican food stand.
No.
Or win a world title.
Ortega said is doing what he said.
We're just minutes.
Are there any questions? Good luck to you. Yes, sir.
There's only one. Manny Pacquiao. Here we are, round 5 scheduled for 12. Jhack Tepora taking on get his hands taped, but his gloves on, get his swing. Crowd really beginning to fill the plex at the Axiata Arena. The biggest fight card. Talk about culture shock, Chris. This is the first time Ortega has ever fought.
Good left hand, straight left. Nice defense there, but good hit.
You keep fighting, and as soon as the action slows down, I'll call timeout.
Round 6 scheduled for 12 here.
Ortega, I would say, to pick up the action a little bit more, distance, being able to counter like that. I would like for him to counter with more than one.
Things up, throws a combination of 2. 8 to 10 weeks for a world title fight. Ortega said
It gets dull.
left hand with a lot of power though.
At the end of this round, you see more of what Ortega needs to do. Push him forward, letting his hands go.
Strong finish there to the welterweight champion of the world. Tepora's had his moments, tough one to score so far.
Yeah, tough to
Tepora, Diana. Don't know a lot about him, El Capitan.
Just like a province outside Manila. This is only his second international. Like every boxer.
play the importance of hard work.
Yes.
He said that Tepora is a very hard worker.
What would you like to see him doing right now, though? Did not smile in the 45 minutes.
So that I'm having trouble recognizing him.
Exactly. Title holder.
Yeah, there, good timing. Good body shots.
Ooh, big clash, and they've always been that.
Ortega pushing forward early, backing up. Tepora kept calling along the ropes, letting his hands go. And then we're going to see some action. Same, here's another look at that. Pushing against the ropes, letting those hands go. And then the end of the round, like as Todd alluded to, these guys seem to always open it up. Both hands flying, big shots. Just
Round 8 scheduled for 12.
jab, counter fighting.
Well, if you want to become a world superstar or even a national hero like Manny Pacquiao is, it's not just when Pacquiao lost. For the most part, he would often.
There's no doubt about that. Stars are exciting. People want to see them. But this might be one of those situations where get the win, look good next time.
Nice counter right there. More of a slapping shot from Tepora. Hall sales here in this arena.
Well, it's always been somewhere.
You seem to maybe give the machine a little bit more of a chance. Why is that?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, he looks how realistically, their chance of winning is. Yeah, for sure. I after seeing how serious their team was, I definitely.
And while they both may be past their prime, that still doesn't mean they can't put on a great performance.
Pacquiao will be turning 40 this December, but in training camp.
Felt like it, 26. I felt poor, I know that.
From Manila, beautiful beaches, the best mangoes in the world. Definitely a place to visit.
And I love a good tequila.
I've heard about that stuff.
There's a nice exchange, and it looked like Tepora got the better of it as Ortega comes springboarding back off the ropes. Oh! Ortega. Oh, good hard shot. And now here comes Tepora going forward. Now to close the show. And Ortega eating a lot of punches here. And it stops. That is a shocking stoppage. But Jhack Tepora has won the interim WBA featherweight championship of the world. It hurt that he needed to be stopped.
It was a great ending for Tepora. He finally let his hands go. That's what he needed to do all night.
Close the show seconds later.
That is exactly right.
The featherweight fighting pride of the Philippines, Jhack El Capitan Tepora.